Okay, so John is making me do the intro. So I'm gonna show off my car. We've been working on this for 2 straight days, breaking everything in the process. Strip, the bolt would not come out. So we ended up breaking it. So got the whole lower control arm on order. So this is gonna sit here for another week in his driveway. So, since pretty much at a standstill for that, he got a lot of Miata parts that came in. And that's what we've been working on. Got the new soft top. That'll do. That's a nice cut.
Nice cat.
Nice cut, G. See, he had the new blinkers come in today.
You know what? I'm just gonna freaking.
Our new blinkers, yeah, that came in.
Came in like 5 seconds ago.
Still waiting on the radio. I think that's supposed to come in today too.
It is like nicer than the.
Barely getting any power to it.
Might need to swap that harness over after all.
Yeah. It probably, the light bulbs probably pull more voltage than the other ones. That's probably why that new harness.
We'll get today. It's quiet.
It is very quiet.
So off camera, in case you got this done. This thing is not fun. Alright, it's been outside stretching.
In the sun, not too hot today, but at least the sun will help a little bit.
They say like 10 or 2 days.
Which
Right
the sun's behind a tree right now, so. But yeah.
They got their soft top, carpet's done. The touchscreen radio will be here soon. It is done.
Should be here today.
Go ahead and shut this up. It's down. The back, I don't have the keys in the ignition. We got the battery tie down.
Alright, so I told John to replace this harness anyway instead of just the bulb. He refused to listen to me, and so that made the light was dimmer. So went ahead and replaced the harness. Corroded as hell. He never listens to me. Now they're both the same brightness.
Cover top. Soft top?
Soft top. Soft top.
Drop top. Something chill with my Miata in a top top.
Yeah.
Oh, trim's back on.
Yeah, you're gonna have to edit that out. Heather hears that, she gonna kill you. There better not be any thoughts at my house.
It even smells good. I don't see any bubbles up front either. That's a pain, dude. I can see why people charge $3,000 to install one of those.
Yeah, it definitely wasn't fun.
Recycle. Oh, there's like rust coming out of the hood.
I wouldn't call it recycling when it's gonna be in a damn landfill. Or like just throwing it away.
Tell y'all that I have the other one spliced to the radio. It didn't come on, and we put the same wires to that speaker. That speaker went on, so something's up the door or the seat ones. Heather trimmed this up some a little bit to get it in to where it'll fit the touchscreen, because this is a little bit bulkier with this bezel.
Good job, Heather.
Thank you. You see that masterpiece right there?
It's beautiful.
It's straight.
Yeah, it is very straight. We got it somewhat wired up. We got to get some more crimpers. We ran out. We'll clean it all up. Turn by key. I mean, it's a nice screen. It's gonna make this interior look awesome. I got the USB right here for the CarPlay, which we'll put into the back of the radio once we get ready to wire it up. It's way back here. Here's the CarPlay. But I mean, I don't have it hooked up to speakers right now, so you're not gonna hear anything. But home screen, got your Android, your Apple, mobile player. You got a whole bunch of stuff. It's connected to my phone right now, which is cool. But yeah, it's an awesome for like.
Yeah, somebody tell us.
Yeah, for real. It feels just like an Android or any kind of phone screen. We got that done. It's pretty much all we've done. It's nighttime. It's dark. We're hungry. We're gonna get something to eat. And yeah, that's about it.
Pizza sound good?
Yeah, pizza does
Yeah.
sound good.
Eagle One. Eat some Eagle One pizza. That.
Let's do it.
We'll go pick up some Eagle One. You turn it
Get
up.
some nice cheese breadstick
That
pizza.
sounds good. But we'll see y'all later for the next video. Hopefully this car will be done. And that'll be it. Boom. Not bad. What'd you think?
Pretty good.
Yeah, not bad at all. You ready to go get some food?
Hell yeah.
Let me put this in the charger real quick. Alrighty. And let's go get some food. I feel like one of those monkeys.
Yeah, I got that on camera.
Yeah, you're gonna have to make sure you're there editing it with him because he's gonna fucking.
I honestly just need to get her out here more. Because at least she doesn't bring a truck over here that gets stuck in my front yard for 7 days.
Well, she's an S10.
Go ahead and show him that.
Dude,
You're going to put this in the blooper. Show him that. Show him that. Wait, don't buy a Dodge.
Okay.
Well, I'm going to piss a lot of people off.
Okay.
This is in Dodge. Dodge block.
Yeah, but guess what? It's not drivable right now.
Guess what, children?
Fucking upgraded now, motherfucker.
Oh yeah. How long does it take? 6 weeks.
6 weeks to make, but boy, did they
Mine's
come
been
out
sitting
good.
here 2 days so far.
That thing is what took 6 weeks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That little thing?
Yes.
I thought it was a giant ass piece of metal.
Oh, like this one? Yeah, look what happened to that one.
Fucking
What,
snapped
did you
out.
already send the other one back?
No,
The subframes? Keep
No.
going.
they don't want them back. They didn't get them.
That's what they get for sending the wrong
They
product.
don't fit on my car, but I'm sure I can use them.
That's what they get.
All right, kids. Time to go inside.
Yes, mom.
I gotta let it
Yes,
in.
mommy.